Meaning of Henry III.
Henry III.
Henry III.
Henry III.
Henry III. Henry III refers to the name and title of several monarchs who ruled over England during the Middle Ages, including Henry III of England, who reigned from 1216 to 1272. He was known for his patronage of the arts, including architecture and literature, as well as his struggles with barons and the church. His reign saw significant political and social changes, including the development of Parliament as a governing body and the rise of common law. Overall, Henry III represents an important period in English history characterized by cultural growth and political upheaval.